Adding Calendly to your Framer website allows visitors to schedule appointments directly from your site, enhancing user experience and simplifying scheduling. Here's a step-by-step guide. Get your Calendly embed code. Log into your Calendly account and go to the event you would like to add to your Framer site. Click on Share and then select Add to Website. Choose an embedding style. Inline embed to display the calendar on the page. Pop-up widget to have a small button that launches the scheduler, or pop-up text to trigger the scheduler from a text link. Copy the embed code. After selecting your preferred style, Calendly will generate an HTML code snippet. Copy this code. Open Framer website editor. Log into Framer and open the page where you want to add Calendly. Add an embed component. In Framer, add an embed component to your page. This allows you to insert custom HTML or scripts. Paste the Calendly code. Paste the Calendly embed code into the embed component. Adjust and preview. Resize and position the component as needed. Then preview your site to ensure Calendly displays correctly.